Hello students, welcome to our online art session. Myself Sonali Shahdo. Today I am taking art activity. So in this art activity I am taking sari border design. Everyone know the design. So different various type of the design we make it already. So today I am taking a sari border in a rectangle shape design. So which elements we are using for this design? Elements means objects. So with the help of the natural object we are create a design sari border. So flowers, leaves and some geometrical shapes, not all, that semicircle, curve line, standing line. And for the design part students scale is compulsory. So for this assignment which material required, your normal drawing book, pencil, eraser, sharpener, long scale or normal 15 centimeter scale. For the outline, black sketch pen or black gel pen. And for the coloring part, watercolors, poster colors or oil pastels or color pencils. Two options I am giving. If you want to do with poster colors or oil pastel, it depend on your choice. So let's see how to do it step by step wise. Students, observe this assignment properly. It is a rectangle shape sari border. Everyone see the design properly. Okay. For the objects, which elements means object. Which elements I use for this design? The flowers. In flowers, the lotus pattern and the leaf shape, curve lines and semicircle pattern and sleeping lines. Okay. So not all geometrical shapes, only few geometrical shapes I use it. If you want to change the flower pattern you can change it, depend on you, but don't draw a simple flower. Compose the design in a proper way. Adjust the design in corners also. Don't compose the design in middle space only. Okay. So for if negative space is more, you can add this type of design in both side corners and here also. So let's see how to do it step by step wise. Friends, open your drawing book and hold your drawing book in a standing direction. First, with the help of the long scale, draw the margin. Now here take 20 centimeter for the slipping line, and for the standing line take 25 centimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter by 25 centimeter rectangle constructed. Now we are start the elements. So first step, here I draw the lotus pattern. In the downside I am using half lotus. Then here I draw third lotus. Then this side also I compose the wavy line. And here small lotus. Okay. Then for the background, here I am making the 3 layers petal. This way, and downside I am making semicircles. In middle part I am making again small semicircle. And this empty part I make small leaves. Students, you can draw this simple way, otherwise that double layer leaves also. Where the empty space is there, students, you can add the leaves pattern this way, but don't draw the complicated design. Always remember, this object drawing means it is a positive space and the empty space is a negative space. So give the more preference for the positive space, okay? Don't leave the negative space more. So when you complete your whole drawing, just observe it. So here the space is more, so I adjust it this way, okay? So when you complete your drawing, first observe the whole drawing and then you can start for the coloring part. Now for this assignment, I am giving two options. You can use poster colors or oil pastels or color pencils. So if you are using oil pastels or color pencils, so first step, give the border with black sketch pen or black gel pen. If you are using poster colors, then you can start the coloring part. If you want to do with shading method, you can do it, otherwise plain coloring. So in this assignment, I am showing two medium demonstration with oil pastels as well as poster colors also. First I am showing with the poster colors. If you are using poster colors, first step, you can see in this background for the wash method, the color application with blue color. So for the background, I am taking water plus poster blue color, okay? Take 90% water or 10% blue color, any shade, and with the help of the flat brush or cotton, you can apply the wash slowly this way in one direction. This way you can give the wash method in one direction only. Give the border first and then apply with blue color. Any shade you can use it. I am taking blue color. You can take lemon yellow, yeah, orange shade also. Students, after complete the wash method, wait for 5 minutes, and for the coloring part, take round brush, 4 number or 6 number round brush, okay? So for the lotus petals, I am using crimson shade and red color. If you don't have 14 shade, you can use red color and red plus white color. So red plus white color, we get pink color. So in these petals, I am using alternate method. So I am starting from this part and hold your brush this way in a 45-degree angle and slowly apply it. Suppose in this part I applied, so leave this petal. In next petal apply crimson color. So this way you can apply the color in all lotus. Now I am taking red color. Wash your brush properly and clean with rough cloth. So now I am taking red color and in remaining petals apply it this way. Okay, so for the leaves pattern also use light green or dark green color. This pattern use for the all lotus. Now I am taking light green color. I will start from the dark green, and for these leaves light green. For this all stems I am applying dark green color this way. And for the small leaves I am applying light green color. I am showing with the crayons how to do. Same way, take red and dark red shade and use shading method. So in half portion I am applying with crimson, means this dark red color. Use only one direction, but in this assignment I am showing with both medium. If you are using poster colors, so do it this way method. If you are using oil pastels, so follow this method. Okay, but don't use mixed media. Only one medium you can use it. Now in this upper part I am using red shade. For the crayons or color pencils, compulsory give apply first outline with black sketch pen. You can give the outline with black gel pen also. Okay, this way you can do it. It's not compulsory to follow this way shades. You can use your own colors also. So when you complete your whole assignment, your result will come this way. This is a crayon work assignment. So in background you can see the dark blue and light blue color merging for this pattern. You can replace this color. You can use lemon yellow or chrome yellow color also. Clear. And for the petals you can use red or light tone, that pink shade, or red plus white also. And for the leaves, light green, dark green, alternate wise you can use it. So this way our sari border design assignment is completed. I hope everyone understood this assignment, how to draw step by step wise and how to color it. You can use any medium. Okay, so I am sure the demonstration in both mediums how to apply it. For the poster colors use flat brush or cotton for the wash method, and for the coloring part use 4 number या 6 number brush. And for the coloring that oil pastels use any shades, and for the background use this type of light tone and dark tone color shading method. So enjoy your work students, do it nicely and beautifully way. Have a nice day. Bye.